So I'm dressed. So we're going out to eat at Texas Roadhouse. You'll see the beach vlog where babe vlogged there. But I have all this stuff from Sephora from the sale in my last vlog video. So I want to try them out. And I finally feel like I have a tan now where I can try them out. If you see me looking over here, it's because there's a mirror over here. And I need to see myself. So let's moisturize with Laneige. Because I'm probably going to be putting on lipstick. So there's another woman that came out that Shannon Sharp raped her. I don't know what is wrong with black men, especially black men that amasses wealth. They think that wealth equals power. And in the society we live in, no matter how much money you have, if you're a black man, you will never be a Harvey Weinstein. You will never be Hugh Hefner. You will never have a mansion with Playboy bunnies. Like, a lot of people, I don't know if when you amass a certain amount, they don't understand, even if you don't amass a certain amount of money and you are a regular black man, this is still America. But what I've come to realize is some black men think that once they get money, they have power. And they will never let you have power in this country. And another thing I can't understand, this is Milk Hydrogel Tint in number 10. One thing I can't understand is when you work hard for your money, I don't understand how you allow something like lacking sexual discipline cause you to ruin your name, your likeness, your image, and your brand that you have worked hard for. And this is a very big thing in black culture across the board. The men, and I'm not gonna even say just men, a lot of our people, or some of our people, don't have sexual discipline, and it has caused our people to lose in so many ways. And it's like, I don't know if the women are not asking about sexual discipline when they enter into these relationships, or when they see these men, they just think that it's okay. I'm going in with the NARS caramel, and it's medium dark too. I think we need to bring back sexual discipline. And then, because it's the same thing with Diddy, I feel like he lacks sexual discipline, and I'm not here to kink shame. Everybody have their stuff that they like to do, in the bedroom, and I'm not here to shame anybody for what they want or what they like. That's not my place, that's not my business. But I find that the kinks that black men have in particular are based in lack of self-esteem, and especially where Shannon Sharpe is concerned, I feel like it's based in lack of self-esteem racially. He doesn't have a high racial self-esteem. And another thing is, I understand the whole love who love you, but sometimes I'm forced in this position where I feel like some black men will take disrespect from any other race of women except black women. Like, how do you let a white woman call you a nigger with a hard ER?
Black queens forever, snow bunnies never.
Like, and I'm all here for people dating who they want to date. I'm not opposed to black men dating white women. I'm not opposed to black women dating white men. This is deep bronze. But why would you ever, and this is from Say, it's a Say bronzer, why would you ever allow that? And I could understand if, like, the girl was a baddie and she's all that, a bag of chips, and you just gotta get your rocks off. Like, you have the money, you're gonna spend the money, and you just wanna experience something new. I could see if she was a above average white girl and she is like a black man's dream white girl. But they always take these run-of-the-mill basic white women to put on a pedestal and take their money, essentially. No shade, no tea. I think there are white women that looks great and they're above average, just like I think for black women. And I feel like somebody of his caliber, if that's what he wanted to go do, he could have done that with a woman that I felt like was worth it. Our men lack a lot of things, and it's becoming more and more evident. This is Strawberry Cream by Huda. I wish our people would just be more smart. And then another thing is, because we're on Shannon's Sharpe, I think this will go and tie in perfectly. Deion Sanders' son getting drafted, like 100 and something. And quite frankly, I feel like it's because of his dad. It's because of his dad. I feel like they feel like his dad is a threat to what they have going on. He knows the contracts. He knows how to coach football. He knows everything inside and out. So, and it's not like they're coming from a place where they need the money. So they're just going to they're not coming from a place where they need the money. So they're not just going to sign a deal just to sign a deal. And they feel like his dad is probably going to disrupt what they have going on, because he's not afraid of controversy. He's not afraid of controversy. He's not afraid to talk his mind, and he's probably not afraid to take up for his son. So, and I feel like the NFL like people that are yes men, that are going to back them up, that are going to keep their secrets and say that the stuff that they do isn't wrong. For example, Colin Kaepernick, when he took a knee, that man still can't get a job. And I feel like if all the players that was in the NFL just said they're not playing anymore, and they needed certain things to change, they would change it. But because we as a people can't stand on one accord ever, I feel like Kaepernick is left to fend for himself, really. And quite frankly, it's very sad. And the fact that he was a great player makes it even worse. But this goes to show you that no matter how good you are or how much of an asset you can be to them, you're still just a nigga and you're disposable to them. So be that a reminder that they're making business decision based off who they can manipulate and control, really. So I'm gonna go in with Sephora Contour Lips. I don't remember what this is. I need to wipe some of this off. Too lazy to go back there. I just wish our men would be more smart. Like, why didn't he let her sign an NDA? Like, men of his caliber do stuff to protect himself. Why didn't he? Protect himself. And this is a reminder that you may think they like you, they love you, but you are just entertainment for them, because he had to step away from his job. And these are accusations. These haven't been proven in court or anything like that. And this is Raja. And I'm gonna go in with Foxy. And this is a good lesson to remember that money doesn't equal power. You may think it does, but it don't. Especially when you're a black man in America. That's it.